Okay, now I have started recording button also, so that after class you will get the video from YouTube also. So good morning to all of you. This is Anwar sir speaking. So let me unmute at least one student so that I could know that whether are you listening me in a proper way or not. Let me unmute Arohi Vedant. Arohi Vedant, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, let me know, is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Are you able to listen me in a proper way?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shreya Jha, unmute yourself. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, Shreya Jha, in an offline classes, which sequence you were following? You were following odd or even? What is your sequence? Odd or even?
Sir, even.
Even. And Arohi Vedant, yours?
Sir, my even.
What? My what? Even or odd? What was your sequence? Even.
Even.
Okay. Is anyone is there? Those who were following odd, those who belong to odd sequence, raise your hand. Odd students. Okay, Richa Kumari is there. Maharaj. Richa, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. I will ask what what I have taught in class even and what I have taught in class odd. So tell me, in odd classes, till which page number or chapter I have taught, Richa Kumari?
Sir. Sir. Chapter.
Say again, I did not listen, say it. Okay, Vaishnavi has come, let me unmute Vaishnavi also. Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
which sequence you are following, odd or even?
Sir, odd.
Odd. So tell me till which page number I have taught in the class. Till which page number I have taught in the class, Vaishnavi Kumari.
Sir, 14.
Okay, means chapter 2 I have started.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to open the book on the screen. Today again I am going to start chapter 2. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
till 15 teach.
Chapter 1 is completed already. Okay, I have completed in odd classes and even also chapter 1 I have completed. I have completed or not? Tell me, chapter 1 is completed or not? Everybody tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Completed.
Okay, so in a fresh way I am going to start chapter 2. Okay, Pallavi Singh. Pallavi.
Yes, sir.
Chapter 2 I am going to start again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now everybody concentrate at your study, pay attention. Now I am going to open the book on the screen. Chapter 2 on the screen. So let me open chapter 2 on the screen. Rakshitansh also has come. Very good. Okay, so let me open the book. Here I have kept all the books. So 3 ABC GSC books, I have kept it here also in my laptop so that whenever I need, I can open it and I can teach from here. So Ayush Kumar. Write the name of Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar is drawing. Write the name of Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar is drawing. Vaishnavi, write the name of Ayush Kumar.
Yes.
He is drawing.
Yes, sir.
You just write the name when school will reopen. I will give him a stick in the class. Okay. Now I am going to start. Pallavi, what you are doing? Now take your place, everybody. Now I am going to start chapter 2. Now listen. By the way, this paragraph I already have explained in the class, but again, in a fresh way, I am going to complete. In an online classes, we have regular classes, but when we had offline classes, we were following odd and even, isn't it? So now we will follow regular classes in an online classes, and those who are talking, those who are saying something, please concentrate here. Now I'm gonna start here. Chapter 2, human body. Our body is a wonderful machine with many parts. You know, our body is a wonderful machine with many parts. Just like trees and branch have many parts, in the same way, our body has many parts. Like we have hand, nose, mouth, legs, so many parts are there. It is a living machine. Actually, you can say it is a living machine. Each part of our body has a special job to do. All the parts work together to keep us alive and healthy. Okay. Although our body can be compared to a machine, it is far amazing and unique machine in the world. So there are so many machines in the world are there, but among them, our body is the best machine. You know, our body is the best and unique machine, amazing machine. It is capable of doing many things that no other machine can do. For example, it can see, it can hear, smell, taste, feel, move, grow, breathe, and reproduce. So you have seen so many machines in the world, but all those machine cannot perform all those things. But we can, our machine means our body can do everything. We can see, we can hear, we can smell. In this way, taste, feel, move, grow, breathe, and reproduce also. Our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. Our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. Okay. The cells are of many different kinds. Cells are the basic building blocks of the body. So if I will ask what is cell, then you have to say cells are the basic block building. Cells are the basic building blocks. What are cells? Tell me, Vaishnavi. Cells are the basic building blocks of the body. Cells are the basic building blocks of the body. Okay, Pallavi. Pallavi, understood?
Yes, sir.
I will ask a question. What are cells? Then you have to say this line. Cells are the basic building blocks of the body. Okay. You have to learn this question. I will ask, what are cells? Then everybody has to say cells are the basic building blocks of the body. You can see I am going to make it large so that you can see it in a very clear. Cells are the basic building blocks of the body. So tell me, what are cells? What are cells, Pallavi? Vaishnavi, you tell, what are cells? Vaishnavi.
Cells are the basic building blocks of the body.
Yes, I will ask this question and all of you have to learn. When I will make a game, so I will put this question. So all of you have to learn this question by heart. Now come to tissue. A group of cells join together to make a tissue. So I will ask, what is a tissue? Then you have to say, from here to here, a group of cells join together to make a tissue. Okay. Pallavi, what are you doing, Pallavi?
Yes.
Pallavi, your mommy is feeding you. What you have done? What you have done, Pallavi? Pallavi, mummy is beating Pallavi. I think Pallavi is not studying in a proper way. Okay. So cells are the basic building blocks of the body, a group of cells joined together to make a tissue. Okay, if I will ask what is tissue, so what you need to say? A group of cells joined together to make a tissue. Okay, Vaishnavi? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will ask three questions. What are cells? What is tissue? What is an organ? I will ask three questions. Now come to organ. A group of tissues together make an organ. This is the answer of organ. A group of tissues together make an organ. These three questions you need to learn by heart. Okay, what are cells? What is tissue? And what is an organ? Organs are our body parts, external and internal both. Actually, organs are our body parts, external body parts also and internal body parts also. Organs that work together form an organ system, and all those organs which works together form an organ system. Different organ system work together to make it possible for the body to play, learn, and do many other things. Okay. Now come to the next page here. Not next page, in this page only, here. Now we will study about bones. We will study about bones. Okay. Bones, our body is made up of bones and flesh. Actually, our body is made up of bones and flesh. Already know that, all of you. The flesh covers the bones and flesh covers the bones. An adult human body has 206 bones. See, my God, an adult human body has 206 bones. How many bones are there in adult body? 206 bones. How many bones are there?
200.
Yes,
206
206 bones. Yes. The bones are joined together and form a framework called skeleton. So I will ask what is skeleton? So you have to say answer here from here to here. The bones are joined together and form a framework called skeleton. Okay, I will ask this question also. What is skeleton? Understood, Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
So these four questions you need to learn. You need to learn what are cells, what is tissue, then what is an organ. Then the fourth question is what is skeleton. So these four questions all of you need to learn. I will ask, then I will conduct an oral test, I will ask. So the bones are joined together and form a framework called skeleton. Understood? Any problem? Tell me. Till here, any problem?
No, sir. No,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. It gives shape, size, and support to our body. What skeleton does? Skeleton gives shape, size, and support to our body. Without shape, without skeleton, our body will be like a tube. That I one day I made explain in the class that if there is no bone in our class, then without bone we cannot walk, we cannot stand. That I made you understand. Our body cannot stand upright without a skeleton. The bones help the body in movement. Bones also protect the soft organs inside our body. And in the yellow box, something important is written. Pallavi Singh, you are not looking at the book. Look at your book, Pallavi Singh. Pallavi Singh, look at your book. Pallavi Singh is looking up. I don't know why she is looking up. Look at your book. The largest bone in our body is the hip bone. See, the largest bone in our body, what is it? Hip bone. What is it? Hip bone.
Bones.
Okay. Hip bone. The largest bone. In fact, it is made up of 6 bones firmly joined together. The longest and strongest bone in the human body is the thigh bone or femur. Thigh bone or femur, the longest and strongest. Okay, thigh bone. Now open your book at page number 15. Everybody open your book at page number 15. Now come to at page number 15. Now the skull. We are going to study about now skull. The skull protects delicate organs like the brain and eyes. Skull, skull protects delicate organs. Delicate means very, that weak organs are there in our skull, that is called brain. So skull protects delicate organs like the brain and eyes also. The ribs protect the lungs and heart, and ribs protect lungs and heart. In this picture, this is the ribs. Okay, this is the part of ribs. Let me make it large and let me tell you. This is ribs here. Rib is written here, rib, and see. This area is rib. This in Hindi is called pasli ka haddi. That is called pasli ka haddi. In Hindi it is written. So this is rib. Okay. Okay, Shreya Jha, any problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir, no.
What problem you have? You are saying yes, sir, then no, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So this is rib. In Hindi, what this rib is called? Pasli ka haddi. In Hindi, we say pasli ka haddi na. Yes.
Sir.
So the ribs protect the lungs and heart. Our heart is, protected by ribs. In the skeleton, there are many joints. In the skeleton, there are many joints. A joint is a place where 2 or more bones meet. The joints help us to move our body parts. Actually, our bones are joined together in such a way that most of them are able to move over each other. So we are able to bend, run, move, etc. Okay. Now come to muscles. Muscles. Our body has more than 600 muscles. My God, 600 muscles and 206 bones. So many things in our body. 600 muscles. How many muscles are there in our body?
600. 600 muscles.
Yes, keep all those important lines in your mind. All students, please keep all the important lines in your mind. Means 206 bones are there, 600 muscles are there. The definition of cells, tissue, organ, skeleton, all these things you have to keep in your mind. If you will listen it properly, pay attention what I am telling you. Yes, sir. All question and answer will be easy. Most of the muscles are joined to the bones. Yes, sir. Along with the bones, muscles help the body to move, work, and do other activities. Actually, our muscles pull our bones and make them move. See, muscles pull our bones and make them move. If muscles will not pull our bones, so we will not be able to move. Muscles also give shape to our body. Just because of muscles, we have a very good shape in our body. Without muscles, we will not have a very good shape in our body. Muscles grow bigger and stronger with exercise and training. One day I was explaining in the class that the benefits of doing exercises. Do you remember? Vaishnavi, Shreya Jha, Pallavi, Princey, all Rachitans. One day I was explaining the benefit of doing exercises. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So do you do any exercise at your home?
Yes.
Shreya, I was telling that girls should skipping, you know. So girls should skip and boys should, squats up or running. So we can take care with the right posture, regular exercise and correct method of rest and relaxation. Now come to the brain. Brain is the main and important parts of our body. So let us study about the brain here. The brain is the most important organ of the body. See, brain is the most important organ of our body. Very, very important. It controls and guides all the actions of the body. Only brain controls all the actions of the body. Whatever we do, whatever we touch, whatever we think, only brains, guides. The brain is inside the head. Brain is inside the head. It is soft and delicate. It is well protected by the bony skull. It helps us to feel, think, learn, and remember things. Just because of brain, we can do these four things. If we do not have our brains, then we cannot feel, we cannot think, we cannot learn, and we cannot remember. Just because of brain, we are able to do all these four things. The brain also helps us to maintain balance. Brain also helps us to maintain balance. The brain is connected to every part of the body through nerves. Anshraj, why are you raising your hand? And Pallavi also. Let me complete this story. Why are you raising your hand and disturbing? You listen whatever I am telling you. Vaishnavi, why you have raised your hand? Why you have raised your hand? You listen properly whatever I am telling you and keep it in your mind. Don't raise your hand in your chat box without any reason. Okay, Arohi Vedant, any problem understanding all things, whatever I am explaining? Okay, your voice is not coming, Arohi Vedant. You said no, sir, but your voice has not come. No problem. The brain is connected to every part of the body through nerves. Messages are carried from one to every part of the body through the nerves. Now, this is yellow box. Something important is written in this yellow box. We don't forget to read out this yellow box also. Okay, yellow box is important. Our brain is like a busy control room. See, our brain is like a busy control room. It receives and sends out lots of messages to the rest of our body. When you learn something, the brain stores it. Whatever you learn, brain stores it so that you can remember in the future. This is called memory. So this is the example, the definition of memory. If someone will ask you what is memory, then you can say from here to here. When you learn something, the brain stores it so that you can remember it in future. This is called memory. So I will ask the question, what is memory? Then you have to say from here to here. Now come to the heart, Now come to heart. Heart, we are talking about dil, heart. In Hindi, it is called hirday. So put your hands on your chest towards the left. You will feel something. You will feel something beating inside. It is our heart that beats non-stop, day and night, all through the life. If you will keep your hand left side, and if you will run, and if you will do exercise, then heart will beat very fast. In Hindi, the song will, in Hindi, that sound will come dhak, 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 dhak. Okay, heartbeat non-stop all through our life. It continues like that only. In an adult man, it beats about 72 times each minute. See, in 1 minute, our heart beats 72 times. In 1 minute only. In 1 minute, our heart beats 72 times. Our heartbeat increases when we run. It will increase when we run. When we will do exercises, then our heartbeat will increase. It will be, very fast, dhak, 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 like that it will. Okay. So now open your book at page number 16. Our heart is located in our chest cavity, a little to the left of the center. See, our heart is located in the chest left side, where the heart is there in our body, left side of the chest. Left side of the chest, our heart is there. Our heart is made up of muscles. It is about the size of our fist. Fist means that mutti, that punch. So when you will make a fist, so whatever the size of your fist, the same size of the heart is there. So Arohi Vedant is showing the size of her heart. She is making fist, and let me check that Vaishnavi, make a fist. I have to see what is the size of your heart. Vaishnavi, make a fist. You don't understand English. I am telling make a fist means mutti bandho. Yes, that is the size of your heart. Means whoever will make a fist, so that would be the size of his or her heart. Understood, Shreya Jha? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, you also make a fist. You also make a fist with your hand. Left hand. Yes, this is the size of your heart. Yes. So those who are tall people, very tall people. So and very hatta katta mustanda type people. Then if he will make a fist, then his heart will be very big. So is there anyone in your locality who is very tall and big, that hatta katta people? So he has a very big heart. If he will make a fist, so surely he will have a very big heart. It acts like a pump. It acts like a pump, and its job is to pump blood around our body. What is the main work of the heart? What is the main work of the heart? The main work of the heart is to pump the blood. It pumps the blood, it push the blood. Okay, the main work of the heart is it pumps the blood. Okay, it always say whenever blood comes to the heart, then heart always say go away from here. Means it pushes, it pumps. Just because of that, all the blood circulation is going on in our body. The heart pumps blood, and the blood goes to all the parts of the body through the small and large tubes called blood vessels. So there is a very thin pipe. Okay, there is a very thin pipe. That pipe is called blood vessels. Through blood passes. And who is shouting? Disturbing the class? Rohi Vedant, from your house sound is coming. Arohi Vedant, from your house sound is coming. So let me mute Arohi Vedant. Otherwise, it is getting disturbed. Oh, she has muted herself. Very good. So now let us continue. Now we have only 10 minutes left. So within 10 minutes, we'll continue the lungs. No, the blood circulation. Yeah, blood circulation here. Blood circulation is very important for our life. If there is no blood circulation, means we'll become dead. Digested food and oxygen also reach the different organs of the body through these vessels. The blood supplies oxygen and nourishment. It is our blood circulatory system which carries back all the waste materials from different parts of the body. Okay, now we'll study about the lungs. And here you can see the picture of that hearts and all those things. Let me show you picture also. Here you can see the picture. This is human body, and the left side heart is there, and this a thin pipe through blood passes, which is called blood vessels. Okay, this is called blood vessels, and this is the real shape of heart. So this is the real shape of heart, but people make it the shape of heart like this only. This is not the real shape of heart. Okay, real shape of heart is given here. Okay, people make the shape of heart like that only, but this is not the real shape of heart. Okay, understood? Any
Yes,
problem?
sir.
So the
No,
real shape,
sir.
okay, real shape of heart is here. It is given in this picture. Let me make it large so that you can see very clearly. This is the picture of heart. This is the real picture of heart. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this is a picture of blood vessels. This is the picture of blood vessels. Through blood passes. See the red color. Red color, this is blood only. This is passing. So this is, very thin pipe like that, through blood passes. Okay. Now come to lungs, about lungs. But now time is going to finish. Only 7 minutes is left. So in our next class we'll continue from the lungs. Okay, we'll continue from lungs. Today we'll study till
Yes,
here
sir.
on. Till here on. So listen your homework, everybody. What you need to do at your home. In homework, what all of you will do. In your homework, first of all, from this page number, from page number 14, then page number 15, then page number 16 till here, parts of the body. You have to read out 3 times. How many times you have to read out?
3 times.
3 times each and everybody, and learn the definition of here, the cells. I will ask in next times when I will start the class, I'll begin the class. So first I will ask the question to anyone. I can ask to anyone, what are cells? So you have to say answer. Our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. The cells are of many different kinds. Cells are here. Answer is given here. The cells are the basic building blocks of the body. If I will ask a question, what are cells? If I will ask what are cells, then you need to reply cells are the basic building blocks of the body. Then I will ask next question, what is tissue? Then you have to say this answer.
A
If
group
cells
of
join
cells joined together to make a tissue.
yes,
Together to make a tissue.
to make a tissue. Then I will ask third question. Third question, what is an organ? Then you have to say from here.
A group of tissue together make an organ.
Yes. Then I will ask 4 questions that what is skeleton? Okay, skeleton. I will ask in that. But I will ask at the same time, I will ask this question also, that how many bones are there in our body? So there are 206 bones in our body. Okay. And this yellow box is also important. This yellow box is also important. See this yellow box. The largest bone in our body is the hip bone. I will ask which is the largest bone in our body. So you have to say hip bone. Which is the largest bone in our body? Hip bone. Which is the largest bone in
The
our
largest bone in our body is the hip bone.
Very good. Then I will ask which is the longest and strongest? Which is the longest and strongest bone in the human body? So you have to say thigh bone or femur. Thigh bone or femur. So this is also important. Okay. Then at page number 15, I will ask these things, I will ask these things. What protects our lungs and heart? What protects our lungs and heart? So ribs protect our lungs and heart. Okay, ribs protect the lungs and heart.
Ribs protect the lungs and heart.
Very good. Then I will ask next question. How many muscles are there in our body? Then you have to say 600 muscles.
Our body has more than 600 muscles.
Very good. Then I will ask something about the brain. I will ask something about brain also. The brain is the most important organ of the body. If I will ask which organ is the most important organ in our body, then you have to say the brain is the most important organ in the body. Okay?
Our body.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It helps to feel, think, learn, and remember. Brain help us to feel, think, learn, and remember. Okay. Then in this yellow
Yes, sir.
box, the definition of memory. I will ask what is memory, then you have to say from here to here. When you learn something, the brain.
When you learn something, the brain stores it so that you can remember it in future. This is called memory.
Yes. So in this way, all these important things you need to learn, and you need to keep it in your mind. Then from the heart, I will ask how many times in a minute our heart beats. Then you have to say 72 times. How many times?
Each minute. 72 times.
Okay.
Each minute.
And what is the shape of, what is the size of our heart? The size of our heart is our fist, means mutti. Whatever the mutti we will make, that mutti size our heart is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the important things are there that all of you need to learn, and you have to read out 3 times. How many times you will read out?
3 times.
3 times all of you have to read out. So now only 1 minute is left. And before 1 minute, I am telling you all the important questions from the story. I will make a game and I will give you the link. Okay, means what are cells, what is tissue, what is an organ, how many bones are there in our body, how many muscles are there in our body, what is the definition of memory. So all these questions I'll collect together and I will make a game. So which game you want, Vaishnavi or Shreya Jha? Tell me.
So,
Vaishnavi,
I don't know.
Vaishnavi, you tell train or airplane or robot, which one all of you want?
Sir, aeroplane.
Okay, very good. Now it's only 1 minute is left, so I have unmuted to all of you for saying bye bye. Okay, we'll meet in our next classes. Okay, bye everybody. I have unmuted to each one of you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, 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 sir. Bye.